What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Abby and this is my E92 335i. So I'm going to be doing a Chrome Delete and this is my first time doing it. So I actually did the passenger side first and I told myself if it turns out good then I'll actually end up making a video. And it turned out pretty decent actually, not too bad. So I'm going to show you what it looks like before and after. And then I'll try and see if I can get it a little better on this side. So this, as you can see, it's clearly before the chrome all the way. And I'm going for like a blacked out look. I'm probably gonna get a wrap soon. But yeah, I just wanted to have this all blacked out. And this is what I ended up doing. So this is the passenger side. As you can see, changes the look of the car. Exactly the look that I'm going for. It's like a gloss black wrap. This is what it looks like. And as I mentioned before, this is my first time doing it and actually turned out pretty decent. There's a couple of spots which I'm not too happy with. One of them being right here. As you can see, I cut it a little shorter than it was supposed to, and you can see a little bit of chrome there. But apart from that, as you can see, the corners here are pretty good. I'd probably give it like a 7 out of 10. That's good, bro. Take it easy. As you can see, the corners here are pretty good. The corners here are pretty good too. I'm actually pretty happy with it. And as you can see here too, I did have to make a cut because I do have a tape and I didn't want to stretch the tape too much, so I got like a flat piece of gloss black wrap, vinyl if you want to call it. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna try and see if I can do a better job on the driver's side. So let's get it. So this is what I'm using to do the Chrome Delete. I got this gloss black tape from Amazon. I'm not sure which company it is. Maybe it's 3M or maybe it's Vivid. That's what it's called. I like Vivid. It's actually pretty easy to work with. And I also got this gloss black roll for the edges at the back there, and this wrapping kit. So I do have a bunch more stuff. I only ended up using these for the Chrome Delete, and also this knife, as you can see here. This is pretty handy. And microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean it off first. And yeah, that's about it. Magnetic too, pretty sick. Let's get it. Hey, so this is a couple of days after I finished doing the whole thing. Well, finished doing the passenger side. And one thing I've learned about working with cars is nothing ever goes according to plan, you know? Even the most simplest job takes the longest amount of time. So when I was doing the passenger side, what ended up happening was I basically ran out of tape when I was trying to do this section here. So I went to my boy's house. He had some extra tape he was using for doing the Chrome Delete on his E90. And the tape that he had is just, it was just shit. It was so much thinner than the tape that I have. So the tape that I'm using is from Vivid, and it's just thick. It comes with like a coating and stuff, like a coating that you can remove at the end when you're done. So yeah, it's just peeling off from everywhere. And as I mentioned before, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I don't expect it to be perfect, but I don't want it to be an absolute shit job. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna try and do it again. So I ordered some more Vivid tape from Amazon, and let's see how it goes. So as you can see from here, the tape's just peeling off from everywhere at the bottom, even here. And yeah, it's on the driver's side, so every time I open the door I see it. So yeah, I'm just gonna change it. Okay, so I basically messed up again. I was trying to get it over with and just finish it off yesterday. Just nothing went according to plan. It turned out even worse than before. So I'm gonna try and see if I can do a better job today. And one thing I've learned about wrapping now, every time you're doing the Chrome Delete or whatever, any kind of wrap, this thing takes a lot of patience, and I don't have any. So if you're doing it by yourself, just take enough time and just make sure that you're doing everything properly, and just try and not stretch the material too much, because once you stretch it and then put it down, basically what it's gonna want to do is go back up when it's in like the relaxed position or something. So yeah, let's just give it a try. So that's what it looks like all done.
Which one?
As you can see, just take some time with it.
This one I like more, but come.
My car's dirty.
It needs skill
But
too.
we need to go for
Yeah, man, I got it. I got bare skills. You see that?